Are you tired of feeling like your blood sugar is controlling you instead of the other way around? What if the secret to balanced glucose, steady energy, and fewer spikes was not a complicated supplement or extreme diet, but simple foods already sitting in your kitchen? In this video, we're going to explore the 9 best vegetables for diabetics, everyday staples proven to help lower blood sugar, fight inflammation, and protect your heart, kidneys, and nerves. Then, I'll share 5 quick, blood sugar-friendly breakfast ideas you can make tomorrow morning and 5 luxurious, restaurant-quality recipes that fit into any budget. Stick around until the end because these strategies could completely transform the way you eat and feel every single day. Let's start with the vegetables because what you put on your plate is one of the most powerful tools for controlling diabetes. Number 1. Broccoli. This vegetable may look like just another green food, but it's actually a blood sugar powerhouse. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound shown to reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 10%, which means waking up with lower glucose levels without increasing medication. It's also packed with fiber, which slows sugar absorption and keeps blood sugar steady for hours. 1 cup of steamed broccoli has only 6 grams of carbs and 5 grams of fiber, nearly perfect for glucose control. And broccoli is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which help fight the silent inflammation that damages nerves, kidneys, and blood vessels. Roast it with garlic, steam it, or toss it into stir-fries with olive oil. Each serving supports healthier mornings and fewer post-meal crashes. Number 2. Spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse and one of the best foods for anyone with diabetes. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for insulin function. More than 70% of diabetics are magnesium deficient, which makes it harder for insulin to get sugar into your cells. Spinach also provides folate, potassium, iron, and alpha-lipoic acid, a compound that helps repair nerve damage and reduce tingling or burning sensations in the legs. 1 cooked cup has just 7 calories and 4 grams of carbs, making it an easy choice for any meal. Add it to smoothies, saute it with olive oil, or stir it into soups and egg dishes. Spinach improves circulation, supports healthy eyes, and gives your body the minerals it needs to stabilize blood sugar naturally. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes may look simple, but they are loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that protects blood vessels and lowers LDL cholesterol. This is crucial because 70% of diabetics eventually develop heart disease. 1 medium tomato contains only 5 grams of carbs and 22 calories, making it perfect for keeping glucose stable. Cooked tomatoes in soups, sauces, and roasted dishes are even more potent because heat makes lycopene easier for the body to absorb. Pair them with olive oil for maximum benefit and enjoy them daily in salads, stews, and pasta sauces. Number 4. Cabbage. This is one of the most budget-friendly vegetables and one of the most powerful. Cabbage is low in carbs but full of anti-inflammatory compounds like sulforaphane and anthocyanins. These compounds improve insulin efficiency and protect blood vessels. Red cabbage, with its deep purple color, contains even more antioxidants and is particularly good for eye health, helping prevent diabetic retinopathy. Cabbage also promotes a healthy gut by feeding good bacteria, which can reduce bloating and improve digestion. Eat it raw as a crunchy slaw, sautéed with onions, or fermented into sauerkraut for a probiotic boost. Number 5. Cauliflower. This vegetable is a secret weapon for replacing high-carb foods that spike blood sugar. Cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower, or even cauliflower pizza crust can help prevent dangerous glucose spikes after meals. Cauliflower also supports liver health thanks to its choline content, which is important since fatty liver disease affects up to 70% of type 2 diabetics. Roast it with spices, steam it, or turn it into creamy soups. Each time you swap potatoes or white rice for cauliflower, you make a choice that helps lower A1C and supports better metabolic health. Number 6. Zucchini. Zucchini is light, refreshing, and very easy to digest. One medium zucchini has just 33 calories and 6 grams of carbs, but it's full of water, electrolytes, and pectin, a fiber that slows glucose absorption and improves gut health. This vegetable is perfect for people who deal with bloating or blood sugar swings. Turn zucchini into noodles, roast it with olive oil, or stuff it with turkey or chicken for a satisfying, low-carb dinner. Eating zucchini regularly can even help keep morning glucose levels lower by slowing overnight digestion. Number 7. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the most healing vegetables for diabetics. It's low in carbs, high in fiber, and rich in chromium, a trace mineral that helps insulin move sugar into cells more efficiently. Even a small boost in chromium can improve insulin sensitivity by 10 to 20%. Asparagus also contains glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which protects your kidneys, eyes, and nerves from damage caused by high blood sugar. Roast it with olive oil and garlic, steam it, or add it to salads. Just a handful with dinner can support steadier glucose overnight. Number 8. Bell peppers. Bright, crunchy, and sweet, bell peppers are a natural defense system for diabetics. A single medium pepper contains just 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C improves insulin sensitivity by up to 30% and lowers inflammation. Red peppers are especially powerful because they also contain beta-carotene and lutein, which protect eye health. Eat them raw, roasted, stuffed with lean protein, or blended into soups and sauces. They add flavor and volume to meals without raising blood sugar. Number 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in carbs, rich in flavor, and loaded with beta-glucans, natural fibers that slow sugar absorption and improve insulin sensitivity. Regular mushroom intake has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 12%. They also contain B vitamins and selenium, which protect nerves and support kidney health. Salt mushrooms in olive oil, add them to omelets, or use them as a meat substitute in stir-fries for a filling, blood sugar-friendly meal. Now that we've covered the best vegetables, let's talk about 5 powerful breakfasts designed to keep your mornings stable and energetic. First, the Mediterranean Power Scramble. Eggs cooked with sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese and olive oil. This combination delivers protein, magnesium, antioxidants, and healthy fats to keep glucose steady for hours. Second, the cauliflower and broccoli breakfast bowl. Instead of cereal or bread, fill your plate with riced cauliflower and broccoli, top with poached eggs and Parmesan cheese. This breakfast lowers inflammation, improves gut health, and protects your nerves. Third, zucchini and turkey sausage hash. Zucchini provides hydration and fiber, turkey sausage delivers lean protein, and bell peppers add vitamin C for insulin support. Top with avocado slices to slow digestion and prevent mid-morning crash. Fourth, tomato and spinach chia pudding. By blending tomatoes and spinach into Greek yogurt with chia seeds, you create a gut-healing, anti-inflammatory breakfast that slows glucose absorption for hours. And fifth, cabbage and egg wraps. Use cabbage leaves instead of tortillas, fill with scrambled eggs, shredded cheese, and mashed avocado for a low-carb, high-fiber wrap that keeps you full all morning. Finally, let's elevate your dinners with 5 budget-friendly but luxurious dishes. Roasted red cabbage steaks with garlic butter and feta, thick slices of red cabbage roasted until caramelized, topped with garlic butter and crumbled feta for a restaurant-quality plate. Spinach and ricotta stuffed zucchini boats, hollowed zucchini filled with creamy spinach and ricotta mixture, baked until golden and bubbling. Cauliflower crust pizza, a crispy crust made from cauliflower, egg, and Parmesan, topped with fresh tomato slices, mozzarella, and basil. Broccoli and cheddar soufflé. Airy, cheesy, and elegant, made with steamed broccoli and fluffy egg whites for a low-carb dinner that feels like fine dining. And chicken and spinach stuffed peppers, roasted red peppers filled with shredded chicken, spinach, garlic, and feta cheese baked until tender. Each of these meals is nutrient-dense, budget-friendly, and designed to stabilize blood sugar without sacrificing taste. When you combine these vegetables, breakfasts, and luxury recipes, you create a weekly meal plan that supports lower A1C, better energy, and long-term health. Take action today. Stock your kitchen with broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, zucchini, asparagus, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Choose 2 of the breakfast options and 2 of the dinner recipes and put them on rotation this week. Watch how your energy improves, how your morning readings stabilize, and how much more in control you feel. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who's trying to manage their diabetes, and subscribe for more practical, science-based tips. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results, and your journey to better health starts right now.